The Text Cells tool has multiple use cases, including word searches, color by number activities, word hunts, and anything else that requires text in a grid. To use it, open the Shape section and select Text Cells. Here, you can choose how many rows and columns you want your grid to have. Once you've decided, click on the first cell and start entering letters. You can then go back and add your words by clicking on each cell you want to change. If you'd like to write full words or equations more easily, enable the Press Enter to Advance option. This allows you to type continuously, then press Enter to move to the next cell or simply click another cell. We can also paint text into cells. To do this, check the Paint Cell Text checkmark, enter the text you want to paint into the cells, and start to paint. You can add in letters, numbers, words, and equations. Browse the resource library for inspiration, use this tool, and let your imagination run wild.